And what I expected, the markets start to climb higher. Everybody in bullish territory, but small caps down a mere fraction. Banks higher, so is the financials. And you see here, US dollar down. Crude oil taking it on the chin, big time down, 3.6%. Gold down, but silver higher. And the VIX basically break even. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider. And remember yesterday I said, hey, no way am I ready to put a sell signal on this yet because we're at a support line. Look at this. We opened lower than this support line. We went lower, came higher, and then closed right at it again. Again, this is the S&P 500. Look at this. Let me bring in some more data so you can see what's happening here. So I put a buy here, another buy here, and so far my calls have been rock solid. Oh, who was that? Some guy not too long ago left a comment, goes, your calls should be used as an inverse indicator, and I almost laughed at it. Well, technically I did laugh at it. But anyway, you could see here, pause the screen, look at it yourself, and look at if you sold on when I called them sells and bought when I said buy them, if you would have made money or not. And I am an open book. You cannot get more transparent than this. I am as transparent as you can get. Been doing this in February, be 19 years, almost 2 decades. I've been trading the live markets. Very few people have traded that long in the live markets and continue doing so because they haven't wiped out. And I've pulled a lot of money out of the markets, and I appreciate those individuals out there who have traded against me. And I say that facetiously. I wish nobody gets hurt, because I know that 89% of those individuals out there trading, retail traders, are in fact losing money, and won't just lose money, but will blow through 100% of their trading capital rather. And you can't be the gambler. You've got to be the informed trader with odds stacked in your favor. But anyway, here we are. Look at the diamonds. The diamonds, we called it a sell. Immediately had to reverse that. So there was a loser right there. See that? I called it a sell on this one, and then I called it a buy. See that? So there was a loser. This one was a huge winner. Look at this. Called it a buy. Boom. Called it a buy here. Boom. That wasn't as near the boom as this one. Called it a sell. Down, 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 down. You can see this. Here, sell. Called it a sell there. Called it a buy here. Any others? Oh, yeah, a ton of them. Ton of them. This one worked out for a couple days, but didn't work out much longer. Anyway, all right, so there we are. Diamonds. Here we go. Up, 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 up. High base. Look at this. Up, staying above moving averages, guys. That is a bullish move. Bullish move. Again, called it a buy here. We've been up, up, up. Money maker here. Buy. Boom, 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 boom. A second buy. A sell here. Crash, 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 crash. A buy here for a couple days. I mean, anytime you're sideways, look at this. Anytime the markets just move sideways. See this sideways movement? If you're making money in a sideways movement, you are a master. And you'll see it here. I called it a sell here. We did drop. We pop here. I called it a sell again. Big drop. Called it a buy and then a sell right there. There's a loser. See those two? I called it a buy here and then had to turn around. And there's the choppy sideways. Here, the markets went sideways. There's no movement to the upside or down at this point. Here, a sell and then another sell. We crash down, then a buy here, boom, and then a sell here. And when you start to move, when you make these moves, that's where your money comes in. See this? Boom. We hate this. This is where you day trade. This is where you swing trade. When you get the big swings in the market, there's your money. So I've been long to this market, and I've been very, very happy. I lightened up. Remember, we got up here near the high, came up. I think this red candlestick, I lightened up on my longs. Kept my some longs, sat through this and continued to be in my longs, and I'm almost ready to re-enter all my long positions if we keep going higher. Small caps though did drop lower today, but stayed at our support line. It's not by accident. These lines that I draw are highly they're big time precise on their trajectory and how they're plotted on these graphs. And that's why they work out so nicely. And if you draw them correctly, you'll see just how nice that the markets, because the markets use these lines are valid because many highly intelligent and influential insiders or investors or institutions are using the same trajectories to make their trades. And I do want to look at crude oil here. Crude oil had this big drop, but we're still remain in the triangle. We're still in this triangle. Big volume the last couple down days, but called it a buy here. You know what? I hadn't looked at. I should have put a sell on that one. I haven't done that. I'm getting ready to. If it comes back to this line and we find support like it did here, I'll put another buy on this one. Put another buy. Need to be more. I mean, look at this. Called it a buy here. Rallied up nicely. Called it a sell here. Big drop. Sell here. Big drop. Sell here. Little drop. Sell here. Medium-sized drop. Sell here. Medium-sized drop. Buy here. Nice pop. Buy here. Choppy. Nice pop. But, you know, anyway. Yeah. If you know anybody else that does anything to this level of clarity for their users, let me know. I'm very interested to know if there's anybody else doing that. Anyway, gold is down. Wanted to call it a buy yesterday, could not do it. It'd be interesting to see what happens next couple days, but cannot call buy on gold or silver yet. Expected silver to drop, but today we got some promising moves here. So anyway, will we put in a bottom? Maybe not. The problem with the bottom here is I am not seeing huge spikes in volume. If I get huge spikes in volume at these lows, then I'd be looking at capitulation. Then we could be putting in a bottom. I'm not seeing that, not yet. So jury's still out. I think there could be still more downside potential here in gold and silver. Certainly not something I would be wanting to buy at this moment. Too much risk there. So I did make, so you'll be happy to hear this, at Grok Trade. Down here below, check out these two free areas. How you do that, just go to Grok Trade, and then scroll down a little bit and you'll see them right there. You want to be part of that, so go and do it. Catch you guys later.